So today I'm going to unbox these meters. I recently purchased it from online. These are the analog meter. I have already digital meter, but I really wish I had a analog meter because I really love the needle movement. So I ordered a bunch of meter like this is the 500 milliampere, 500 millivolt, dual range 1 amp to 5 amp, and this is the galvanometer. So let's open the box and see. Alright, that's a problem with one hand. Let's try it. Okay, this is the galvanometer. Wow, it's big. Come on. Good thing is it has the binding pole. You can plug it or you can screw the wires with it. DC moving coil, galvano, range is 30 millivolt, I guess. It's pretty good. It says 500 milliampere. By the way, these are all the same manufacturer, MR80. Yeah, same meter, but scale shows 0 to 500 milliampere. I think I'm going to use it more because my radio repairing videos or experiments, something that will come handy. Meter seems okay. DC moving coil. These are decent looking meter and I'm happy with it. So let's see the dual range meter. Okay, so dual range has common port, 5 ampere pole and 1 ampere pole. So this is the upper scale up to 1 ampere and the lower scale up to 5 ampere. This one is good. I like this one. What next? 500 millivolt. You can see somebody wipe this with alcohol and put the V in front of it. It may be like milliampere meter and it's converted to 500 millivolt meter. I have to test it though. I mean, all meters are same because the manufacturer are the same. Galvanometer, milliampere meter, millivolt, and dual range ampere meter.